How to design a Black Friday email campaign with Canva. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now I have this Black Friday template that I'm going to edit to suit my preference. And the first thing I'm going to do over here is to delete this bag image. I do not like it. Now I'll head over to Elements and I'm simply just going to search for fashion. Let's go to photos to see if there's anything we can get from here. So let's use this. I'm simply just going to right click and then I'm going to tap on replace background. Love this background so much, but I'm just going to add the shop now button and that will be all I'll be doing here. Now for the shop now button, I'm going to head over to elements. We're going to take out this fashion. Now search for shop now. Now you can see there's a whole lot, so I'm just simply going to go with one that catches my attention. I think I like this, so this is just to change it to white so you can pop like the other text here, and this is it. For this discount up to 50%, let's make it bold just so it's more visible. And guys, this is exactly how to design a Black Friday email campaign with Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.